All right, for this video, we're going to create an app icon for our for an Android project here. Now, the app icon is the one that appears on the phone's home screen, and so far we've just been using the default one that gets created when you create a new project, which is the little Android head, the green guy with the antenna sticking out. So what I have here is I downloaded a ping image that I want to use. It's right here, so I'll open it up. And it's a fairly big image, which is okay because it'll get resized once we go through the process of setting it up in Android Studio. And it's actually got a transparent background. It's kind of hard to see right here, but it's actually a transparent background. So I don't know why this is actually showing it as a black background. It's actually transparent, which I think works better. So you'll have to find some sort of image. You could use things other than pings, but I think ping would be the easiest. So find an image, a ping that has a transparent background, and then you can continue following along with the video after that. So I'm just going to close this and close this. And I'm here in Android Studio, and we're going to add a resource here. This is going to be a resource. So I'll right click on the res folder and choose new, and then we want to choose image asset. Okay. And now here, what we want to do here is we want to set the path for this new image that we're going to use. So down here in the path setting, you can click on it, and now this is a little bit confusing because it shows you like Android's version of File Explorer. But if you click right here, this will take you to your desktop, and then here's your desktop. Now mine's in my downloads folder, so which I can find right here. So I'm not sure where you put yours, but I should see my phone ping right there. So I'll select it and click OK. There it is. It looks kind of funny because there's a background image that isn't how I want it to be. We're going to change the background real quick here. So click on background layer, and then we want to use a color. So change this radio button to use a color instead of an image. And here's a color picker you can use. So you can pick any color you want. I'm just going to go for high contrast because I'm colorblind. So I'll set my background to be something like that. And then that's good. So once you're done picking a color, you can click anywhere to close that window. And then I'm going to go back to the foreground layer. That's our phone here. And I should be able to resize it. There we go. I just had to scroll down a little bit. So I want to shrink the phone a little bit so I can fit it all. There we go. That looks good. Okay. And once you get the background and the foreground set, then you can come here and click next. And now here you just want to make sure that main is selected here. And yep, just choose main. And then I believe all we have to do now is click finish. And at this point, you should be able to run your app. So I have to move this so I can press the run button. So I'll go ahead and launch the emulator. And this can take a minute. So maybe I'll pause the video while that's going. Okay, it looks like my emulator is up and running. So trying to rearrange some things here. This isn't exactly, my screen settings aren't exactly working for me here. So there we go. So what I want to do is go to the home screen. So I'll click on the round button here. And then if I swipe up, whoops, I guess I got to swipe up from down here. No, that's not what I wanted. All right, I'm having problems here. But anyways, I want to swipe up like that. And there you can see there's the app icon that we just created. So pretty easy process if you just follow those steps. It can get to be quite complicated, but that's the easy way to do it. So that'll do it.